Napo? Napo lang kay nadili man ta gamay. Taas kay kuan. Ha?
Sige.
Gigi, napo. Napo da ka.
Okay.
Okay.
Gigi. Nera ha. Ano mo tanan? Napo, napo.
Oh.
Hoy, gugod mo ha. Wanay rolling. Wanay rolling. Wanay na kang istorya. Bulhog. Gigi. Talaga. Napo ka lang. Napo ka lang. Napo ka lang. Napo. Napo. Napo ka lang. Napo.
Boys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon na yung tanan diya. Kaning duha was raised August 11. That is today, 2024. Kuha ni siya 56 upcat and 10 laps run kay dugay na sudan kay dahil fun run sa Mandawi City. So the race started late and that's mo nang 10 laps ra. Dihay mga duha or tulo ka tira and the last attack he counter ko and then I get a very small gap isundan na nagdayo ko ni Philip and pag ni Philip iya kong giagda kuyo. Of course I obliged sunod dayon ko niya and he was doing like 43 kilometers per hour and to my surprise komportable din ako gamay unlike previous ng kuyog ko niya nga hangos-hangos dito. So, lipay ra ko nga kuyog ko niya. So, pag kadang U-turn, yung una ko kay kabaw man ko nga di ko maayo mo U-turn. So, makaka-catch up ako yung kuyog kaso magani nagyan ko. Unfortunately, one minute tabo. Hey! Una lang! To my disbelief, I had a chain wrap. Nagak ang kadina sa gawas and initially nabalik ra ko dayon but then again attack na sa balik so I had to stop and put it back and there goes the peloton leaving me like dust. So ako mahimo so ako ningon ko taod ko and then I went back may gani kana si Ariel Omo iya kong gituod it helped me get back up to speed pero layo kaya bang kwan peloton and I was hoping nga makadako pag ko nila makatakder ko niya but the way I was going and the way the peloton was going I'm sigurado ko nga si Nilo si Hailin si Tira and that's why the speed was so high maglisod ko takbo nila but wag pa kong surrender since there were still 6 laps to go ang mayan ta adto ang hangyo ko nga ngay kong free lap kaya naman ko mechanical tumangkod sa nasa rules so kani siya ba hing offer nga taba na ko so anyway wala sa ko so he helped me get back to the peloton and then pagdulan ako diha si Mayor Frederick Miliana iya kong gitabangan gihatod ko niya sa likod sa peloton. Thank you Yorms. Right after nakatakdo ko nakabuhi ni si Hailin and then yung sunod si Nilo Barbalose. Ganahan to kumubukod pero pag ko mauli sa pagbukod ako so nagpaluyo na lang ko and then trying to get my bearing back and so this is the last lap and I was feeling better na so I decided nga gawas ko ani kuman sa U-turn kay daghan kaayong maayo mo sprint kumparar nako aning grupo 1 si Boy si Panning naapa si Charlon si Abling and if I wait for them sprint with them the last 200-300 meters then I know I'm going to lose so yung gawas ko may gani kay wa mo gukod except for si Rafi inkoy si Rafi and then gamintain lang ko between 43 to 45 kilometers per hour and utong na lang din ako so gamble ko ani nga putting all my eggs in one basket with this attack. However, nakaluya ko a little bit but I was still maintaining maybe 38-39 kilometers per hour but I know nga dili gid siya epektibo in this situation especially dagang kaayong maayo sa likod so you can see nga wala mo layo ang gap maintain siya And gilabyan na mo si Harold o si MJ. Naka-break away ni sila few laps earlier. And then si Rafi naguba yung bike. He thought he had broken spokes. So he stopped, checked his bike. Ako, kibaw ko pag kumansuwa. So I continued until I reached the U-turn and I had about 1 kilometer to go. And so I made my U-turn, I slowed down, took a couple of breaths para mulian. And then you could see here Panning was just muscling his way towards me and dropping the group behind him. Sa likod niya na si Charlon, si Boy, ug si Abling. Ano sa mga mayang sprinter. Napo des Camilo ta, pero atot pa ni Camilo pag kumansugod bikugan kuno siya. So mga hiunda siya og sikat and just gave up the race. So si Panning nani siya mga yawit layo ang grupo, but you know, wala ka istorya sa duwa. Bisan pag musulti siya o palayan o not, layo ang kontra o not, I wasn't going to stop. Kaya umuno ko, it would be very difficult for me to get back up to speed. So ako na lang gini-maintain until the end. And then you will notice na si Abling nakatakto na mo. Itagak niya si Charlon o si Boy. Yung na si Abling o gawas. And then si Panning, ako wala dyan ko police. So ako na lang gini-maintain. And you can see here the rocket passing by. And iyang giagian si Panning ug si Abling for fourth place. Si Charlon giagian na lang ko kay wala luya na jud kayo. So si Charlon came in 6, ako ikapito. And not bad considering I had a mechanical midway through the race. So in summary, the race started out excellent for me, then went south, and I was able to salvage 7th place. Ideally, I should have stopped for the mechanical free lap and joined Philip. Pero I think it would create a scandal or a barrage of complaints nga may rin ginawasan ko mo siguro. Looking back, may rin sa duwa ko kapisto siguro. So anyway, thank you boys for the race. It was a great race. And kita rin sunod si Mana. So weird kayo ni kasi Hailin. Congratulate ako nga ikapito man ako, third man to siya. Ingon sa ko, thank you. Bugal-bugalon gini sa Hailin eh. So muni ang top 5 Philip, si Nilo, Hailin, and then si Boy ug si Abling. Boys, thank you for watching.